Today we are going to make Songpyeon. Sri.
Yeah, that's me.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. 안녕하세요. I'm Nikoshi.
I'm Taru and her cousin brother.
Yeah. Today I'm with a special guest, my cousin brother. So we are going to make some fun recipe, which is Songpyeon for celebrating Chuseok at home. And for our special mission in the K-Influencer Academy 2024, we have another special topic, which is Chuseok, which is the Thanksgiving celebration in Korea. So let's go make it!
Yay!
Skincare. Right. Close kalian. So guys, we are done making Songpyeon. Isn't it beautiful? Wow. So I'm gonna give it to Troy now. Let's try.
Yeah, you one.
Yeah, a pretty one.
So yeah, this is a pretty one, and you can see the flowers.
Yeah, we made some flowers.
Yeah, that's pretty cute.
Okay, I'm gonna try the pink.
Yeah, let's try it together.
Yeah, cheers.
Pretty good, no?
Yeah, and the sesame It's so good. Like the feeling is
Sesame has the flavor.
and not so sweet, but also so good.
Yeah. I love this.
Yeah, it tastes good, and it tastes like Chuseok. So it's so special.
Yeah.
We had a fun time making this at home. So I hope you guys also make it at home with your loved ones and your families. So you can also enjoy Chuseok at your home with your loved ones.
Chuseok.
Chuseok!
Yeah. Are you almost done with my first one?
You're so fast.
Yeah.
I'm still eating, but this is so good, and the texture is like so chewy. Even though we made this with regular wet rice flour, but it tastes so good. It's so good.
Yeah. Now I'm finished.
You can try it.
Yeah. That's a pass, no? It's a pass.
Maybe 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
And it might be best with some tea, Korean traditional tea.
Korean traditional tea, and it's the best for like a tea evening or tea party.
Yeah, like it has the flavor with roasted sesame seeds. I love it. It's so good.
That's kind of like everything for the tea party. Like.
So I hope you guys enjoyed today's my video with my cousin brother. And also we wish you a happy Chuseok. Chuseok 잘 보내세요.
Yeah, Chuseok 잘 보내세요.
Happy Chuseok everyone, and I hope you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like, share and comment. See you soon.
감사합니다. 사랑해.
안녕.